See, it's all like a stone, not. Everybody have this problem. So my is very soft. He is also very soft. In point, if you push this only, see, it's very painful. You just have to just click like this, and you have to make it round and round, round and right now. Now, see, now it's become this soft. That's mean, see, you have to make the. So I'll show you one sickness. Okay. So you see this. Okay. So it's completely stuck. Okay. Stuck. Show me here. See here. Scan. Okay. So let's treat this. Okay. How to treat? See, it's all like a stone, not body. लाइन बनाते हैं. मुंह खोल के रखना. आप एक काम करो, आप यहाँ करो, मैं यहाँ करता हूँ. ठीक है. और आराम से एक एक उंगली से करो. So this is the small treatment. So please check if you have this problem. So almost everybody have this problem. So my is very soft. He is also very soft. So this is a door. The food go into the abdominal. कर दो रन. तो बोल भी लो यार. बोला करो यार. कैमरा चल रहा होता है भाई. लोग सुन रहे होते हैं कभी कभी. So if you small rub here, just take 2 days to completely make the line. I wish is the girl. लड़की होती तो दर्द हो रहा है. हाँ थोड़ा भी दबाएंगे. रुक जाओ. देख आ रही है लाइन. आ रही है. देख दबा बीच में. दो आ रही है ना. सांस छोड़ो. ये देखो मेन जगह ये होती है. ये ना रास्ता है. ये पेट के अंदर खाना जाता है ना यहाँ से. और ये ना नली ना बंद होती जा रही है. बंद होती है. ये ना the food go from here the door and is stuck with the by the time ये देखो ये जमा हुआ है पूरा. देखो अभी ये खुल रहा है. चाय पिलानी पड़ेगी तुमको. चिल्ला लो यार. हाँ वो कर लो ना. क्यों कर रहे हो. छोड़ते देखो. You see, now it's become a small soft. So but still not. We have to go more because this is the main. This. It's not easy to make the line. शुरू हो जाए. तो एक काम कर. यहाँ पर मार. हाँ गड्ढा मार. यहाँ पर इसको गड्ढा ही करना है बस. इसको गड्ढा करना है. मैं यहाँ पर करता हूँ. ये देखिएगा ये लाइन डाल दी. So I can find the line already, but it's difficult. The mesh a lot inside. So it's very easy. You can check for yourself also. It's small painful. You just have to just click like this, and you have to make it round and round, round and round, clockwise, anti-clockwise. अब दबा मत. अब उनको अब वाला हाई वाला दबाना है. हाई वाला. भी ये देख आ गया, छोड़ते हुए चलो, ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ लेकिन हाँ, सांस छोड़ो, लोंडे को पूरा जवान करना आसान नहीं है। So this is the main point. If you push this only, see, it's very painful. अरे बोल दो, दर्द हो रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, बोल दो ना। So this is a line. Now you can see that. I show you. I don't know, you can see or no. Check. कुछ मत करो. So right now, see. Now, see. Now it's become this soft. That's mean. See. Is have to make the more and more. I think 1 or 2 days stick, it will be completely have a line here soon. See, still hair stuck is more deeper. I just make it a little bit soft, so tomorrow I can treat. Okay, it's not very difficult. Small. हरी भैया, डॉक्टर हरि प्रसाद।